All right, so we've got the Colgate Extra Clean Toothbrush Medium Firmness for adults. I got the 6 pack. I'm down to my last one. I've had these for about a year. I'm actually going to be ordering another pack when I'm done with this video. But had this for about a year, down to my last toothbrush, and I love it. And you know, I feel like medium is the perfect firmness. I feel like I'm getting everything. I don't even, honestly, I'm not an expert, but I feel better. Feel like it's working, and it just feels like the correct firmness. And 6 pack, you know, you're living in abundance. You you know, you're done with one. You don't have to worry about, oh my God, where's my next toothbrush? You have 5 more. So it's got a nice little grip to it. Um, and yeah, this is your toothbrush. So live in abundance, get the 6 pack.